Hello and welcome to OnceHub Tutorials. My name is Vaibhavi and I'm part of the support team here at OnceHub. Today I'll be showing you how to master object and properties to ensure your data flows perfectly across your integrated workflows. Think of an object as a container for your specific type of information, like a guest. Properties are the individual data points inside that container, such as their email address or job title. Understanding how to structure these is the key to capturing high quality data that stays consistent throughout your customer journey. Let's start by navigating there together. Now in the top right corner over here you will find a gear icon. Click on this and then go to object and properties. Here, before we collect any data, we need to understand where that data belongs. You will see that we have three main objects over here. First is the contact object, then the meeting object and the conversation object. Let's open them one by one and understand what they are meant for. Now let's first start with contact objects. We'll just click on this, and over here one thing you need to understand about contact properties is that they are persistent data and information that does not change frequently. For example, someone's company name or their email or their first name or the job title, etc. So these are very long-term data points which are basically tied to a single person. Now let's go to the next object, which is the meetings object. This meeting object is basically used for appointment specific data, like you can see meeting notes, meeting type and session. These are appointment specific, and this information is tied to one specific booking and may change for every appointment. Now let's move to the next object, which is the conversation object. Now in this object, this is basically used for interaction specific data. For example, we see budget, purchase timeline and qualifying questions. These are all interaction specific data. Now this is especially useful when qualifying leads before a booking is confirmed. Now that we understand what the objects are, let's talk about property types. Now within each object, you can see that we have two types of properties. For this, let's quickly go to the contact object to understand this better. Now over here, you can see that we have two types of properties. First is the custom property and the systems property. Now the systems property is basically built-in and default property, and they are permanent, they cannot be archived, and they are designed to automatically update your CRM records. For example, in the contact objects, you can clearly see city as a systems property, company as a systems property, company size as a systems property. So these are all default built-in properties. Now let's talk about custom properties. Now custom properties are basically created by you to match your unique business needs. Example is business name, which is a custom property over here. Now these properties are fully customizable as their name suggests, and they can be archived if you no longer need them. You just go to the three-dot menu over here and click on archive. And these are grouped inside a custom field array for easy use in APIs, webhooks and Zapier integrations. Now let's create a custom property together. Just go to the create contact property option, click on this, and let's select a data type. Let's say attachment, and in the name let's give it photo. Now we will give it a description, for example, upload candidate photo for internal review. Now this description is very important because it helps your internal team understand the purpose of the field, and it also can appear as a tooltip when setting up booking notifications. Once you're done with this, just click on save. Now you can see that photo is added as a custom property in your contact object. So now let's say you don't need the photo property anymore. To remove this, all you need to do is go to the three-dot menu, and over here you will find the archive option. You will just click on this and will confirm to archive this property. That's it. Archiving stops new data collection but keeps all historical records safe. Now if in the future you want the property again, all you need to do is go to manage archive property, which you can find in the top right corner, and over here you can just click on restore. That's it. That's how you can restore the property, and just like that it will be active again. By organizing your data into the right objects and utilizing custom properties, you create a robust foundation for all your OnceHub integrations. For more details on this, you can visit our help center. I hope you found this video helpful, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.